Hello again. In this video we're going to have a look at how to dynamically update a text box that may form part of a dashboard or some sort of reporting. In this particular example, very simply, we've got this month's sales given, last month's sales, and we want to add another box that says sales change. So rather than typing it into a text box that we would need to change all the time, we're going to construct a formula. And I've got some samples set up already, but I will redo one for you. So what I want is the actual label, which is sales change. So you can see up there, equal to that. And I want the next number, but I need to put a little space in first. And then a space, and then give me the number. So I've got that basically put together. And then down here I can insert a text box or even a rectangle, draw it to whatever size I want, format it to however I want it to be, and then in this function sign put equals to that. And then I would need to quickly format it, maybe just bring it up. Okay, so it's consistent with the others. So it sits here, so whenever I change these numbers each month, you can see that these numbers are automatically changing. So I don't need to reinvent the text box, that my dashboard automatically updates. So hopefully that's helpful for you.